Someone demand for 10 passengers and sell it outside.
Minimum 5, maximum 5, minimum 2, 3, they can't see that where is my son. There is no ecstasy. I worked there. At the back of the hall. All this don't pick up the call because say that she done that sound is not coming to me.
Sit down. Bablu Kumar. No, this is not BSc. BCA-PPU-2nd. Second. Is this for me? Total approx 160. Total 4 batches 160.
200 pieces.
And what about the Now define VLSM. Yes, sir.
So we can divide the IP into variable size. Means it is the optimum way to declare make your subnet marks, user defined subnet marks. Like if you have required one slot where requirement is 24 IPs and the another has 35 IPs, then we can divide it on the basis of that particular division of the requirement.
Fine. VLSM. Process to divide a network into small and unequal subnets.
Yes.
In case of subnetting, equal subnets.
Yes.
In case of VLSM, unequal subnets. There is only difference. In both cases, we divide a default network series to create some networks, some subnets, subnetworks. But in subnetting, we divide it equally. In VLSM, we can divide it unequally. Fine. Now, saves more IP than subnetting. Subnet. But how? Just see with an example. If again I'm going to take 4 departments. In one department, suppose hello. In one department, there is a requirement of 50 machines. In second department, 20, third department, 10, and fourth department, 5. In this case, if we will think as per the rule of subnetting, then the maximum requirement is 52, 50 plus 2, 52. Then the block size will be 64. If it, thank you. Finally, I have got the list. Okay, no issues. Continue. And in case of subnetting, we have to take 4 subnets, and the size of each subnet will be 64.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
Then in this case, we will use total. So in case of subnetting, (64 into 4) means total 256. But in VLSM, if first network's maximum requirement is 50 plus 2, then okay, 52, block size will be 64. Then in case of subnet mask will be, I'm just writing it directly, 255.255.255.192. Fine. And how 192? Everybody silent. Look. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and so on. The block size is 64. Then the host bit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. Then subnet mask will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these are host bits and all rest are network bits. And this is the value. This is binary value and this is decimal. Fine. In this way, the first network size will be 0 plus 64 because I have already taught you subnetting. 64, then 0 plus 64 is equal to 64. Network range will be 0 to 63. So fine. Suppose I am using class C IP address, then in that case 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.0.63. Fine. First network done. For second network, maximum requirement is 20 plus 2, 22. Then the block size will be 32. Then the host bit 5. See this table. Now block size is this. Then the host bit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. In this case, subnet mask will be 255.255.255.224. Fine. Now network range will be 64 plus 32, 96. Means now in case of VLSM, we are calculating subnet as per the actual requirement of every network.
Yes.
As per the actual requirement of every network. In case of subnetting, we have done calculation as per the maximum requirements. But in VLSM, we are looking at every requirement carefully. Okay, fine. You have requirement of 50 machines, your block size is 64. You have requirement of 20 machines, your block size will be 32. And in next case, no, host bit is not 224, host bit is 5.
Why is 224?
Look, suppose there are 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So host bits are represented with 0. If there are 5 host bits, then the rest all bits will be network bits. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. This will be the binary value of subnet mask. Just. I'm giving answer to this one question.
Sir, why there is 3 1 and rest is 0?
Fine. In every group, there are 8 bits. So in this group, I have to take 5 values for host, and then the rest all will be for network. Look, there are 8 values also, and out of these 8, 5 will be represented for host, and for representing host we use value 0. That's why I have written here 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there should be total 8 bits. So what about the rest 3 bits? The rest 3 bits will be 1 network bit. That's why I have written. So for subnet mask calculation, just calculate host bit, how many host bits, then rest all bits will be network. Okay. Now convert this value into decimal, then you will get this value 255, 255, 255, 224. You all know a conversion of a binary to
Yes.
decimal and decimal to binary. Fine. So now in this case, network range will be 64 to 95.
Yes.
This is the concept of VLSM. In VLSM, we divide a network into small and unequal subnets. That's why its full form is variable length subnet mask. Now subnet mask is varying at in case of first network, subnet mask is 192. In case of second network, subnet mask is 224, and in case of third network, subnet mask will be 240. In case of fourth network, subnet mask will be 248. Fine. There is a variation in subnet mask. And finally, I'm just going to write 96 plus 10, 16, 112 plus 8, 120. Now see. Now the total range of IP address is 0 to 190. In case of VLSM, by using only 120 IP addresses, we can create 4 different networks by using only 120 IP addresses. But in case of subnetting, we should use total 256 IP addresses. That's why I have written saves more than subnetting. Saves more IP address than subnetting. Fine. IP address. Fine. So now you should know what is subnetting, what is VLSM.
Yes.
Fine. If there is a question, what is VLSM, then just write definition properly, and then after just show a small calculation. Clear?
Yes.
I have many times I have repeated the same statement that I have already taught all these things. Now, what is supernet? Oh, please note down. Note down. Fine.
First is automatic.
Okay, fine. I'm going to mark your attendance because